The EXOGEN Ultrasound Bone Healing System is a lightweight, portable device that helps promote the healing of broken bones. Treatment takes just 20 minutes a day, making it easy to fit into your daily routine. This video covers everything you need to know to get the most out of your EXOGEN device, the components of the system, step-by-step instructions, and an overview of the treatment tracking log. Instructions are also available in the EXOGEN User Guide. The EXOGEN system consists of the device with attached cord and transducer, strap, battery charger, ultrasound gel, and SD treatment card. Before you can begin using EXOGEN, you'll need to charge the battery. Plug the charger into an outlet. Open the cover of the USB port on the left side of your device and insert the USB portion of the charger into the device. The flashing battery status symbol lets you know the device is charging. Charge the battery until the symbol appears full. This will give you enough power for approximately 5 20-minute treatments. After the initial charge, you can recharge your device whenever it is convenient for you, even during EXOGEN treatment. After you've charged the battery, open the SD cover on the right side of your EXOGEN device by pulling down on the tab. Insert the SD treatment card into the SD port with the metal contacts facing up and entering first. Press the card into the port until the card clicks into place and close the cover. The card should stay in the device until your course of treatment has been completed. Next, position the strap with the cap facing up and pull the long end of the strap through the plastic loop. Place the port over your fracture site, which your doctor may have marked with an X. Tighten the strap so it's snug but not too tight, and fasten it in place. Open the cap by squeezing the cap tabs together with your fingers. To apply the gel, hold the transducer with the cord down and smooth side of the transducer facing up. Press down on the gel bottle nozzle to deliver one full pump of gel onto the transducer. If this is the first time you are using the gel bottle, it may take several pumps before the gel is expressed through the nozzle. Place the transducer, gel side down, into the port so the gel is touching the skin over your treatment site. Place the transducer cord into the notch so the cord comes out of the cap and snap it shut. The first time you use your device, you'll need to set the time. This ensures that your treatments are being logged accurately. To set the time, press the button once. When the hour and AM/PM appear on the screen, continue to press the button to advance the time until the correct hour and AM/PM are displayed on the screen. You don't need to set the minutes. Press and hold the button. You're now ready to treat your fracture. For daily treatment, press the button once to display the startup screen. After 2 seconds, the treatment log appears, along with your treatment summary to date. After 5 seconds, the 20-minute countdown timer appears, and your ultrasound treatment begins automatically. As the timer counts down, the treatment symbol flashes to indicate the device is treating your fracture. When the timer reaches 0, you'll hear a beep and see a treatment complete checkmark. After 5 seconds, the EXOGEN device will beep and turn itself off, indicating that you have successfully performed your EXOGEN treatment. To clean your device, squeeze the tabs to open the cap and gently remove the transducer. Wipe off the gel with a soft cloth, cotton swab, or paper towel. Remove the strap and clean the gel from your skin and the strap. Store all the components of your EXOGEN device in the carrying case to protect them from getting lost or damaged. EXOGEN features a built-in treatment tracking log to help you use your device as prescribed. To access the treatment tracking log, press and hold the button for approximately 3 seconds. The treatment log tracks device usage to date. A check mark indicates 1 completed treatment, and an X indicates a day with no treatments. The treatment log also provides a summary of usage to date. For complete instructions on the use of your EXOGEN device, please refer to the EXOGEN User Guide located in the pocket of your carrying case. For more information about EXOGEN, visit exogen.com.